What's up video? Welcome to you new guys. We are in Tenerife. We are at a El Drago tree. It's a massive tree, 300 years old. It's already our second day in Tenerife. We are going to visit the other El Drago tree, which is already 800 years old, I think. Yesterday we were at the beach. We went to see the Los Gigantes, huge cliffs at the sea. I went for some snorkeling. We watched the sunset from the beach and went for a nice dinner. So today it's more of a visiting day. We're visiting the park of the El Drago tree, and this afternoon we're going on a boat for some dolphin and whale watching. Hope we get to see some. Stay tuned. El Drago Milenario, apparently over 1000 years old. Impressive. already our last day in Tenerife. Beautiful weather today. Yesterday I didn't get to vlog, but we went to the oldest town in Tenerife, La Laguna, 16th century village with beautiful colored houses. Afterwards we went to the north all the way up to a national park in the mountains with some beautiful panoramic views. And we ended our day at the beach in Puerto de la Cruz. Today we started our day with a swim in the pool at the hotel, and we drove all the way up to here. We are at 2,000 meters with a beautiful view of El Teide, the volcano. Beautiful, breathtaking landscape. Just look at this view. Wow. So we're gonna continue the drive up to, not all the way to the top, but somewhere up there, and then we're going to head to the airport, unfortunately, head back to Belgium, to the rain and the cold. Like we're on the moon. I'm gonna wrap up the video here with this beautiful background. We had an amazing stay here in Tenerife.
Some quality time together for our Babymoon.
4 days of sun. Very nice change from the weather in Belgium in January. I hope you liked the video. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next one.